The historical charm of Kingston is evident almost everywhere you turn. As you explore, you will come across interesting museums and historical sites, all well worth checking out. In addition, Kingston's Waterfront Pathway is a picturesque 5-mile walk from Lake Ontario Park to the downtown core. The park features picnic areas, a waterfront walkway, a splash pad, and a playground. For shopping, Princes Street is downtown Kingston's main retail area, lined with restaurants, cafes, and bars. Getting there, if you want to drive, the trip will take you around 2 hours, give or take, or you can also get to Kingston on the trail with Via Rail. The train ride takes just over 2 hours. Travel tip: pick up a K-Pass for discounts on various sites and attractions, as well as free access to some of the city's best activities. Passes are available for 24, 48, and 72 hours.